are possibly very, very different from anything anybody's seen before, unless they've come to one of your workshops. And what you've done is you've interviewed participants in workshops, and I know that you've done this for many, many years, as if they are the people that they've worked with. And so what people are seeing on the screen is they're not seeing the clients. What they're seeing is people being them. And that could sound like role play, but it's somewhat different. And then sometimes you're interviewing somebody as if they are other people in their lives as well. So you get into internalized other questioning of the people who are playing a client.
The intention was for the therapist to experience them possibly conducting an interview with their client in this particular manner, but actually to feel it as the client. And then afterwards, we could, talk about what was it like to be asked these sort of questions, or to my realization that for me to transmit an idea, I had to transmit a practice. It couldn't be bookish. It had to be lived. And it was my attempt to vivify, interviews or conversations or the specifics of the questions themselves. And so the student in training had, if I can put it this way, two sides of the coin. They could experience it on behalf of their client, and they could experience on behalf of themselves as potential narrative therapists with these particular clients. So that was the rationale for these sorts of interviews. Then people would take these back to their clients and play them, because we recorded them, and it produced a profound effect, and it was really the basis for the discovery of insider witnessing practices, which was much more intentional than this. But it became an interesting thing for the client to see their therapist being them and acting on their behalf.